Alrighty, I am considering this devlog. I don't know what number I'm at, but I will insert that here, or I mean, it's in the title. But I've been messing with GDevelop. Yes, the PowerPoint games are still in the work, but I've been messing around with GDevelop, and I was gonna try a pathfinding thing, but ignore the health bar. That's not important right now. I'm messing around with some things in GDevelop, and I have found my new favorite mechanic. Because, note how I can't get up there? Let's drag this a little lower. Whoop. Oh, I am loving this. This is a great idea. This is giving me ideas. Because I was gonna do like a pathfinding thing, and I was gonna use these as like obstacles you could move out of the way. But for some reason, it was registering like the actual like walls as collision objects, but not these when I was dragging them. But then I was like, wait, what if I can use it as a platform? And I can, and I've added ladders. This is amazing. Okay, so let's say I add something to keep me from like dragging. Something to keep me from dragging that completely all the way up. Like enough for me to I mean, I could probably still drag that through, but let's see. Like, it may not be a perfect solution, but we can have the semblance of a game, and this is great. Okay, let's save. Preview. And boop, boop, boop. Can't get up there. But if we drag you, and we drag you up here. Oh. Actually, I should probably move this one over here somewhere. But then if we drag you, bring you over here. Whoop, whoop. Hey! We got a semblance of a game. Oh, this is great. I'm loving it. Woo! I'm very proud of this. Shush. Alrighty. So, definitely made some progress on the test game. I'm considering this more of a playground than an actual game right now. Eventually, this will be shaped into a real game, so it won't look like this forever. But for now, this is a playground. I have worked out this level. You saw this one last time. It's been a few days, and today I worked on this. But let's see. Let's go into untitled scene. Let's go preview. Let's get to that top level. Because if we change the scene, hang, whoop. Okay, so if we go here, let's drag you up here. Sup, little enemy guy? We're gonna skip you for now. We go straight to the end. Straight to the end of this level. Whoop. Let's just scoop you up. Go to the next scene. Alright. So. I may have been playing around with some ideas. So, oh my god. I need to get the wall slide off. Because, ah! Ah! It's a little slippery. Just a teensy bit slippery. But I've been playing around with making jump pads. Also, I was gonna play around with NPCs, hence the reason this little guy's here. It's just one of the generic sprites. that GDevelop has, but I haven't gotten around to that yet. But as you can see, I made jump pads. I did that completely unintentionally. I was trying to make something else, and I ended up making that instead. But then I also made a bit of... Whoop, hang on. 1, 2. There you go. An anti-gravity pad, which is going to be a fun, like, navigational puzzle. Puzzle. It's going to be a puzzle. Whoop. And there's a reason that top wall is there. Okay, looks like he might be going... Are you falling? Are you falling? I think you might be falling. Are you falling? I think you're falling. Oh no, I don't know if you're falling. I'm assuming you're actually falling. It looks like you might be. But I've made that. I'm proud of myself. I figured that out. And I don't have a scene change for the other one, for this one. But along with jump pads and an anti-gravity thing, I worked out ice. And also, boop, I can move blocks. Whoop. Yeah. I made ice and I can move blocks. Whoop. I've been learning so much. Whoa. Oh god. I meant to do that. Whoa. Maybe I can walk. Come on. Yes. Saved it. Who is good? Who is good? I got this. I got this. Oh. Ah. See, this is why I stuck with the ladders in the first level, because I can't wall jump for crap. Ah. You got this. You got this. There you go. Ha. I feel so accomplished right now. I did a thing. I did multiple things. I did many things. These are all very useful mechanics that I have managed to figure out while just playing around with things. And I am so happy. Because like a week ago, I didn't know how to do any of this. And now I have made this. And it's amazing. And I love it. Now it's just a matter of trying to implement it into an actual functional game. Because right now, again, this is basically a playground. But outside of this, outside of GDevelop, I have been sketching up some ideas. This isn't going to be the final sprite, because if I remember correctly, in the first video, and even in one of the shorts I made, I mentioned this was me just testing out like what size sprite works best, how much detail can be basically put into the sprite. And now that I've got a good idea, I've been sketching up some actual character concepts to go with the sort of story that I have, because I decided to just jot down some ideas. And initially I was thinking, okay, underground cave, that could work, and it could be like we're going up, we're trying to escape the cave. But then the more I've been making these things, it's like, okay, underground ruins kind of sounds fun. You could play with that. And then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna look for like one of those game jam generators just to like come up with a theme. And the theme it came up with was discovery, which works perfectly for the underground ruin thing. And I was just like, okay, I've been sketching out ideas, been sketching out concepts for like different little icons to like symbolize jump for like the jump pads. And just stuff like that. I've been working on different designs. That's just like shut him off. Oh wow, I didn't realize that could actually like launch you. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's amazing. I didn't even know that could do that. Whoa, no. Oh, I'm learning more as I'm going. This discovery is the perfect theme. Because not only is it the theme for Underground Ruins, it's the theme for a first-time developer discovering everything as they go along. Oh my god, that was amazing. Completely unintentional. But, okay, let's just plant you up here. Let's plant you up. Nope. Stay. Nope. Stay put. There you go. As I was saying. The theme's discovery is gonna work perfectly, and I've been trying to sort of work just like different control stuff into it. So for like the draggable platforms, it's gonna have a symbol on it that looks like the cursor, so you know that you can drag it. And there's gonna be like a little symbol that sort of represents like someone jumping, and it's been a lot of just design stuff outside of GDevelop, but I think I've got a good idea. I still have no clue how to do like a full boss battle. So this game probably is gonna have a final boss. It's gonna have enemies that'll reset you to the beginning of the stage, but it's not gonna have a final boss. But I think it's funny though, if all of the enemies were bugs, and I'm sort of just like incorporating like the controls into the world, like where the ruins are of this civilization where it's like I don't want to spoil too much. I mean, it's gonna be like implied, but this like civilization saw like could somehow interact with gamers and developers, so the world was created with things like developer and gamer control in mind. Hence the reason you'll see like iconography for the cursor or like a little jump symbol and things like that. So I'm just excited. I'm excited. This is more fun than I thought it would be. Let's just say that. It's more fun than I thought it would be.